Last year, a regular 22-year-old college student was broke. No business, no special skills, no connections. Today, he makes money online using AI tools. And no, he's not a programmer. He just learned how to use AI the smart way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are doing this. Now let's be honest. Most people think AI is some complicated tech thing. But the truth? AI is just a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it. Let's start with the first method, content creation. That student I mentioned? He started a faceless YouTube channel. He didn't show his face. He didn't record his own voice. He used AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, create visuals. After months of consistency, the channel started getting views, and views turned into ad revenue. Was it instant? No. Was it possible? Yes. Then he realized something. Instead of building his own audience, he could use AI to help other businesses. So he started offering services online. Logo design, social media captions, simple video editing. AI helped him work faster. Clients didn't care how the work was done, they cared about results. But the real shift happened when he discovered digital products. He created a simple AI prompt guide. It took him one weekend. He uploaded it online, and every time someone bought it, he earned money, no extra work. That's leverage. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. Right now, you have access to tools that didn't exist 5 years ago. The only difference between people making money with AI and people watching videos about it is action. If you want to learn how to use AI to build real online income, subscribe to AI Income Hub. New strategies. No hype, just execution.